welcome back to the Urban Cook. What I'm going to do today is like an omelette style thingy. I've got some spinach, asparagus, got some salad cheese, it's a bit like feta cheese, a couple of onions, a couple of garlic and some eggs. So we'll get cracking and see you in a minute. Bit of olive oil. Remove our onions. Asparagus. What we want to do is get a bit of colour on the onions and the asparagus. Wait for that just to soften down a little bit. And we'll put some spinach in there as well. Some spinach leaves in. Take long for these to wilt down. Take that off the heat. Crack our eggs. Add our mixture into the eggs. mixture back in the pan. We just let that cook through a little bit. Then I'm going to put the oven on and finish it off. Okay, so that's done enough. So what I'm going to do is turn the heat off, and this is going in the oven. Once it's all cooked in the oven, I'll get it out. I'll plate it up with a bit of the salad I done the other night. And I don't know if you've seen it, you might have already seen it in another video, but it's really, really tasty, and I've done it again since. So we'll see you soon. Cheers, guys. Whoa, look at that. Is it loose? Yes, it is. Lovely. Okay, so we'll let that cool down, and we'll have a plate up in a minute. Okay, so there we go. Mrs. Irvin's dished it up, and we've got our spinach and asparagus omelette. A cold salad from the night before, which is really, really tasty. You might see it in another video. We've got some pre-made coleslaw and some pre-made potato salad, and I've already had a bit of this, and it is really, really tasty. So yummy. So I'm going to go and eat this now because I'm really hungry, and I'll see you on the next one. See you later, guys. Bye. Thanks for watching.